Welcome back to Perfume Vegas. I'm Holly Golightly, and today's video is my May Scentbird unboxing. So, the day that I'm filming this is in May. This is May 28th, and I received this about 3 days ago, 5 days ago, like less than a week ago, my Scentbird package. So, it did get here in May, but I pay for it on the 5th of the month, and it comes on like the 23rd. I don't know what that is, but anyway, this month was a letdown. Was kind of a letdown. I got 3 fragrances as per usual, and 2 out of them are like pretty much going directly into the I'm gonna sell them, pass them on pile, because they're fine, but nothing exciting. Yeah, so yeah, they're not exciting. The one that I do really like, I'll start with that one. Of course, the last one I grabbed for. This fragrance is from the brand Storie Veneziane by Valmont. So Valmont is the brand, Storie Veneziane is the collection, and this is Fizzy Mint. So, Fizzy Mint from Valmont, Storie Veneziane. So, Fizzy Mint is a citrus sparkle, a burst of freshness, an explosion of citrus notes. Fizzy Mint sparkles with brightness and joy. Crushed mint leaves, verbena, and bergamot give an incredible tang to this vibrant interpretation of cologne. So, this smells great. I love the smell of this. It smells like mint. It smells like verbena. Oh, that lemony, like grassy lemon balmy scent of verbena with the mint. It's just beautiful. And then that bergamot citrus top note. I'm sorry about the noise. It smells so good. It's super refreshing. It is very uplifting. It's a mood booster for sure. But that's basically all it would be. It would be like a mood boosting fragrance, because the longevity on this is abysmal. There's no real protection or sillage to speak of. It's a beautiful scent, but it feels like a cologne splash. It doesn't feel like something you would wear from a daily daily driver type of fragrance. It feels like something you'd put on after the shower, you'd put on to boost your mood. You just feel good wearing this, but you wouldn't really wear it as your scent of the day type of fragrance. That being said, I do quite like it. I'm going to keep it, wear it this summer because it is so nice and refreshing. I really enjoy it. So the first fragrance I received, Fizzy Mint from the Storie Veneziane by Valmont collection. And look at the bottle. The full-size bottle is beautiful. You can buy these at saks5thavenue.com/brand/Valmont, so I will link that below as well. They may be a Saks exclusive. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good. The next one, I'm not sure what I was expecting with this next one. Yeah, I don't know. I thought maybe it would be a little bit more fresh. Maybe. It is Le Jardin Retrouve Rose Trocadero. Again, this bottle is beautiful. Another beautiful bottle. And it says about Rose Trocadero: the sun is shining on the Trocadero garden. It is a blessing in Paris, even at the end of May. Behind you, the Eiffel Tower. Before you, the Trocadero Palace, looking so modern. Suddenly, a woman approaches. She's carrying a huge bouquet of roses and heads towards the Seine with firm strides. When she brushes against you, you shiver with pleasure under the waves of rose so absolute that you barely notice the trail of blackcurrant bud, lavender, and musk. The call-out notes are blackcurrant bud, rose essence, Bulgarian rose absolute, white musk, and geranium. So This isn't a bad fragrance either. If I didn't have so many other rose scents in my collection that I like a lot, I definitely would hold on to this. I think it was a limited edition fragrance, so I think that's why I definitely, like, I got it this month. I think both of these next two were limited editions. Maybe not. But it's kind of soapy. Yeah. It's, oh God, it smells awful on paper. I'm gonna spray it on me, because it didn't smell that bad on me. It's, ew, yeah, it does actually smell pretty bad on me. It's very soapy. I don't know if that's from the white musk, the geranium, or from something that's not listed, but both of those fragrances, those notes can give me like soapy vibes. Geranium is a little hit or miss for me, for sure. And then white musk too. This I don't like on me at all. I already wore this once, and I don't remember it thinking it was that bad. So it must be my chemistry cycle. This just isn't. I can't wear. I can't even give you a valid review of the scent because I really don't like it. But Rose Trocadero is definitely more of a musty, soapy rose fragrance. It just doesn't have the kind of freshness I was expecting it to have. I like a very cut rose fresh scent or a jammy rose scent. And this is neither. This is like soapy wilting still on the bush. Like when a flower starts to rot on the bush, that's kind of how this smells. So I'm going to be passing Rose Trocadero on to someone who hopefully can appreciate it better than I am. Ugh. Which of these papers had it? Oh, God, it's awful. That's awful. And then the last one that I have for this month is from Roja Parfums. It is Creation E. This is the Parfum Cologne version. And I've tried, these are the men's versions. First of all, I do want to point out, they're not the women's versions that are in the purple bottles. These are the men's versions. But I have tried now the Roja Elixir Essence for women.
Scandal.
Parfum Cologne and the Danger Parfum Cologne from the men's line. I'm not wowed. I'm not wowed. At this juncture, based on what I've tried, I could not justify buying a full bottle, even of the Parfum Cologne. So this is Creation E, which is supposed to be really good. It's a really popular one among men and women. It says, a swirl of cognac and tobacco where scents of woods and leather pervade. Warm touches of spice blend with soft vanilla and benzoin, creating a sense of ambiguity. Nothing is quite what it seems. I was like, what was that word? Notes are rose de mai, heliotrope, cognac, tobacco, and vanilla. I'm gonna put this on me too, because I don't trust my paper. I definitely get the cognac, tobacco, and rose, and the vanilla. This one is wearable. This is actually one, when I smelled it without putting it on my skin, I thought it smelled a lot like the Dua Angel Share dupe, whatever the name of that is. But on my skin, it's definitely different. It has a much more tobacco-y note, and there's definitely those floral hits with heliotrope and rose. This one, I thought I was going to say that this was maybe like I would pass this on, but I will actually keep this and see if I wear it. And if I wear it, if I do end up wearing this one, Creation E from Roja Parfums, if I do end up wearing this, that might be something that I would consider purchasing. I'm not trying to hate the brand, you guys. I really am not. I feel like everything I've tried, just is not as amazing as people make him out to be. So I get let down. Like, the hype's not helping. This is really pretty. I really like the tobacco note that I'm getting. The cognac, yeah. The rose, yeah. It's a really nice scent. Leather, yeah. Wood, yeah. Benzoin. That makes more sense, because I was like, it's a little spicy for just a vanilla. With benzoin too. Okay, you guys, so that was my May Scentbird unboxing. I'm like pretty bleh about these fragrances this month, but that's kind of how it's gonna be. I'd rather it be Scentbird fragrances that I'm not thrilled about than a blind buy full price that I'm not thrilled about. So one of the benefits one of the benefits of having a program like Scentbird, that you can try things, see how you feel about them, and then put your hard-earned money towards it. For example, I did find a bottle of Fry Blonde, which I had been looking for. I did sample that through Scentbird last year, and at first I was kind of like on the fence, but again, it was one of those fragrances, the more that I sprayed it, the more that I liked it. And so when I was finding out that it was discontinued, super heartbroken, but I was able to find a 50 ml bottle at a great price. And so, yeah, super happy. And hopefully next month will be a better month. I have some more like limited edition fragrances coming. I'm not sure what they are. I don't really remember. I do know that one of the fragrances I had in my queue got canceled because it got sold out. So I have to go back and take a look. But I hope that you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Ooh, like, subscribe, comment. Yeah. Bye! Hey, I'm coming back in here just to say that on my paper, Rose Trocadero actually started to smell a lot better. It smells much more like rose. Still not like my favorite type of rose, but more like rose and less like indolic, ew, rotting flower. But on my skin, it smells terrible still, although I can get the hint of rose. So I think that it's my body chemistry that's messing up the fragrance and not the fragrance that's bad. So if you are interested in Rose Trocadero from Le Jardin Retrouve, definitely look into it. This one you can find at perfumology.com. So thought I'd add that. All right, bye.